Hi everyone, I'm Kat, and in today's video, I'll be doing an attempt of crochet pattern designing of a character named Bong Bong, which from what I know, it is actually a character of the K-pop idol group 17. Correct me if I'm wrong. And let me show you guys how the Bong Bong actually look like. This is the image that I received from her and also the one that I searched online. So this is actually another custom order that I received pretty recently, and she requested to have it in a mini size version or a kitchen size version, and I've been thinking of making it only as big as my Groot character kitchen size. This one. Yeah, I'm going to make it just as tall as this one and as big as this one, so it's going to be a challenge for me. Also, another challenge that I think would take some time for me to design is the diamond part. It's supposed to have a diamond on top of the head, so since it's only going to be just as big as this one, I think I'm gonna be having a great challenge of doing a very small diamond. Yeah, so that's going to be pretty challenging for me because I do have limited skill. I only crochet just under a year now, and I learned crochet mostly on making amigurumis and just recently doing some flowers, and also I learned how to make bags before. And yeah, I'm not sure if I can do a diamond, but you know, it's a learning process, so let's just try our best to make one. And last night I actually already tried to write down the pattern like this. This is my pattern. It's very messy and I just need time to, you know, just try this pattern out, and probably this will take 3 to 4 days probably. So my plan for now is to finish the body part first, and I hope I can nail this one down and it looks similar as in the picture you guys see just now. So let's try to crochet Bong Bong. Oh, I also would like to share the items that I purchased recently because I have the idea to, you know, try and work with the fluffy yarn, the one with the fur. I know it's hard because I did try use the yarn before, like last year, to make Hello Kitty, but yeah, I have to admit it's very hard. So when I look up online, there's people saying that you can actually use another type of yarn like cotton yarn or acrylic yarn, anything that's not furry, to like crochet with the furry one. So I actually been searching online what kind of yarn best to use with the fur yarn. Yeah, so I found one. I think it's only 1 ply. I can't remember. I'm not sure. Is it 1 ply or 3 ply at least? I think it's 3 ply, but I'm not sure. Shall we open it together? So I actually have the parcel right here, so I think we should open this right now and check if all the items that I order arrive. Okay, I cannot understand the Chinese instructions or the Chinese words, but let me show you guys. I purchased this color. That is very thin. You can see that. Oh, I can't. It won't focus on my yarn. So it's very thin like that. It's very different than the yarn that I have. Some color. Oh no, look. It's a mess. A black one. A blue one. I think this is a very light blue, a baby blue color, and also a yellow one. So I know you probably won't be able to see much from here, but I mean, I record this at night and I only use my phone to record everything, so bear with me. So yeah, I will show you guys what my project will be later on. So let's continue making this Bong Bong. So hello, this is me crocheting the Bong Bong part, like in a 4 clips, because everything took me more than 30 minutes. I mean, LOL. But yeah, I'm having fun recording everything. So since it is a very long process and a very long clips, I just gotta speed it up for you guys so you guys won't be too bored in my videos. There are some more clips that are just like this. I just speed it up for you guys, and this one actually a shortened one from more than like 30 minutes, 40 minutes, and also a 50 minutes video, and now it's just a 2-minute video, but still I think it's too long, so let's just speed it up just a little more. And in 3, 2, 1, change. Hello, so it's a new day, and today I would like to continue crocheting the Bong Bong character. What's left is the diamond part. I already finished the body and also the head. I think it's a decent size because when I compare it with my Groot, it's almost the same size, right? Almost the same size. All I have to do now is crochet the diamond part and then put it around here, and then I will do the eyes and also the mouth. I think after that, I think I'm done after that. That's all I have to do left. So I accidentally pushed the pause button, and I've been talking like since like what, half an hour ago. But yeah, so just to like do some recap, I actually had done the diamond part like that. However, it doesn't look really like a diamond shape because I did change the pattern here, and of course it looks much rounder, but I hope she still will take it as a diamond shape. I will ask her after this, the customer, and yeah, we'll see what we can do after that. But for now, I need to like attach this one first before I can show it to her. So yeah, let's continue. If the customer doesn't like the shape of it, so I'm gonna try this one out. This is when I try to make a new diamond using my new yarn, but you can see how frustrated I am if I keep drinking the coffee. Does it look like a diamond? I don't think so. I'm struggling to make a diamond here, but plus it's still big. Do I have to crochet a smaller one again? Still gonna be using this one though. Okay, so I already finished the Bong Bong until this part. I hope she likes it, although the diamond part doesn't look like a diamond, but well, I hope she still like it. I'm trying my best. Maybe I can improve from time to time making a diamond, but I did ask the customer if this is okay, and she said it's okay. So I think I will move on making the eyes using felt. I'm gonna be using a white and also a black felt. So yeah, let's make the eyes together. You guys probably won't be able to see my face, so yeah, you guys just gonna see a clips. I mean, you guys just gonna see the process of me making the eyes using the felt. I hope that's okay with you guys. So this is the part where I tried to make the eyes using the felt, and when I make the eyes, I actually making my second attempt for the eyes, because you know, I'm not seeing any symmetrical shape on my first attempt. So yeah, I think I'm more like Gordon Ramsay. He actually once said that if you don't like how it look like or how it tastes, I shouldn't serve it to the judge. So in this case, I'm not gonna use it. So I make another attempt, and it was a successful one. So yeah, this is the eyes that I made for Bong Bong. So later that night, I actually already attached the eyes using a glue gun, and I embroidered the mouth, and now it's time to make the cheek part. I mean to embroider the 17 sign on it. So yeah, and I've been binging on a Korean drama all the time in this entire process from beginning till the end, so you guys probably see, I mean the other phone. LOL. And finally, this is the final look. Hi everyone, so good news for you guys, I already finished crocheting the Bong Bong character. Here it is. Oh sorry, I also attached a matching color for the top part of the head. It's like a nude pink or a rose pink, I think. But yeah, and I'm happy that the eyes turns out really good. I love how it looks like right now, and it's smiling. The smile had me. It's cute. So yeah, it will soon go to the rightful owner, and I hope she likes it. Just a little story behind my crochet pattern designing attempt. I actually like imagine the final product first, and then I try to write down the pattern, and then I also adjusted anything from there. After I already like have my draft, I will try to make it and turn it into a reality, and if I had to adjust from there, I will just write down the corrected stitches, the corrected one. And yeah, so I'm quite happy. I think because most of this part use the basic stitches and also the basic number of stitches that people use in making like the legs, the arms, and also the head, the body part. And yeah, I think I'm very satisfied. So I'm gonna be making more attempt, I think, in the future. So I hope you guys want to like follow my journey. And so and I also would like to share a little bit about my future project. I wanted to try something new, and I hope you guys will stay tuned with me and tag along with me, like if you guys want to know what it is. And yeah, I can't wait to share it with you guys. So yeah, see you guys in my next video. Bye.